What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. If you guys missed my very last video, go ahead and click right here. I found some new items, and if you guys saw my last video, then you probably saw me discover the skin tone band-aids. They have 3 different shades, and these are also new this week, the facial brushes. But I came over here and I found new items already. Right away, I found these 500 elastics by the brand Gimme. 500 elastics. Yes. 500 elastics. And then we also have some other items that are new. We have these. These are the No Break hair clips, also by Gimme, and Gimme is a name brand. We also have these soft touch slip-free clips in black. Lots of new items from Gimme. Let's see if I can find some more. These aren't by Gimme, but I think they're new. Do you guys remember my video the other day? We found 5 packs from Gimme, packs of 5 scrunchies. It was such a great deal, and I'm pretty sure those are all gone by now because they were all really nice. And again, there were 5 on 1 card. Let's see, do we have any more? I see a scoonsy bow. Oh, here we go. Look, you guys, 5 on a pack, 5 on 1 card. We have a silky, kind of a silky faux leather. We have a denim, we have a corduroy, a velvet, and sort of like a thick organza. These are really nice. I think these socks are new as well. We have the lemon socks, cute. These popped up last week. Eleanor wonders why. And also the super cute Arthur socks. Just to recap some items that are new. We have scarves and a variety of shirts back here, including some tanks. This one is, let's see what the brand is. The brand is American Apparel. And this is a ladies. It's part of the 50/50 collection. This is sort of like a green black. We have the green black. And then we have this one that's sort of distressed. This is by Comfort Colors. Again, these are all tanks. We have another one over here. This is sort of a charcoal. When they're next to each other, it kind of helps see, you know, what the other colors are. This is a tri-blend tank. Let's see what else we might have over here. I think we might have a navy tank, possibly. Oh no, this one is a tee. This is a ladies' tee, and this is a Gildan. I even saw some active shirts up in the weekly wow. If you guys missed my last video, we have some active Gildan and a nice variety of Gildan shirts up in the weekly wow bin when you first walk in. This is one of the sort of dry fit shirts. This is a Gildan performance shirt. So we have some nice options, nice basic shirts to throw over top that sports bra if you're working out. We have tanks, we have active tees. Let's see what else we have over here. Oh, and then these popped up last week. We have the insoles for high heels by Dr. Scholl's. And then we also have some for flats. Those might have sold out. Oh, and these are new. 3 pairs of Peds. 3 pair in a pack. Here's another tank by Comfort Colors. Perfect to throw on over that sports bra if you're walking, working out. Yeah. I'm going to keep some of these here on my cart because I actually want to look through these and see what sort of sizes they have. I think I'd like to get a couple. The Scarlet Dragon. That's a new book. The Scarlet Dragon. The Delfino Detectives. We also have, look you guys, a Polly Pocket Maze Mania book. Just little mazes. We also have a Little People and Barbie. Those are all little maze books. Oh, and then these are cute. We have Eleanor Wonders Why, Color Forms brand, the classic picture toy that sticks like magic. These are the little sticker stories. We also have Dinosaur Train. We have Arthur. We have marker and paint pads by Crayola in the back. Fun things for summer, fun things for travel. Arthur and the New Kid. Highlights mini color by number. We have LOL, we have Spider-Man, Trolls, Lilo and Stitch, little 3D sticker stories, princesses, even more Arthur books up here. A whole box of Arthur books. My brain has too many tabs open. Ooh, new journals. You guys, they have fitness journals here. Look, Fitness Goals Journal. If you like to write it down instead of using the app, you can grab it. Oh my gosh, I think they have more down here. Okay, they do, you guys. Okay, I saw these at Family Dollar. You guys, look at these. 250 plus stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These totally remind me of the ones from Five Below. We also have this one. These are so cute. No Problema. It's really hard. The paper's kind of stiff. Oh, these are so cute. More of the fitness. We have even more journals over here. I mean, there's just so much to look at over here. I just found like list pads, little notebooks, all of these stickers, dinosaurs, pizza. These are really cute. I really want to get some, but I'm trying to downsize. You guys know that. So I have to tell myself no. I believe in unicorns. I think these are little list pads. We have even more down here. We have I Believe in Pink, all the corgis. I think those are corgis. The smiley faces, the little notebooks, the little journals. We have dinosaurs. Super cute. These are like really, really cute. If you guys love journaling, keeping notepads, fitness, you know, journals, all that stuff. What are these? Aw, these are so cute. I'm in love with all this stuff. And I think the brand is, oh yeah, Crown Jewels, which is a brand that we often see at Target's Dollar Spot. I'm very impressed. Even more notepads up there, prayer notebooks, and even more list pads. Wow. yeah, you guys, finding a lot of good stuff in Dollar Tree. Make sure you run into Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you run in at least once a week, because they're loading up new items every week. But all right, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna figure out which aisle I want to film on next. So definitely come back to my very next Dollar Tree video and we will continue looking through the store and seeing what's new for the week. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.